Welcome to Investor Web, your reliable source of investment knowledge. Today we delve into a thought-provoking topic. We're going to examine 10 habits and practices that differentiate the financial behaviors of the rich from the poor. This isn't about passing judgment or creating division. Instead, our aim is to highlight these differences as a means to facilitate financial growth and independence. By understanding these habits, we can learn to adopt beneficial practices and avoid potential pitfalls. From spending habits, investing in education, to attitudes towards money, these 10 factors play a significant role in shaping one's financial destiny. We hope that by shining a light on these differences, we can provide valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions about your own financial journey. After all, financial literacy is not just about making money, it's about understanding how to make your money work for you. Stay tuned as we uncover these 10 critical differences. First on the list, spending habits. One of the most striking differences between the rich and the poor is how they handle their money. Poor people often have a tendency to spend money as soon as they get it. It's like burning a hole in their pockets. They buy things they want, not necessarily things they need. On the other hand, the rich are more inclined to save or invest a significant portion of their income. They understand the value of each penny and know that money can work for them if used wisely. They prioritize needs over wants and focus on long-term financial security rather than immediate gratification. This doesn't mean that the rich never spend or enjoy their money. They do, but they do it strategically. They create a balance between enjoying the present and preparing for the future. So the first point of difference lies in how money is utilized. Next up, investing in education. The rich understand that the key to success often lies in knowledge. They're continuously learning, evolving, and self-improving. They are not afraid to invest their time and resources into furthering their education and expanding their horizons. Be it through books, online courses, or even personal coaches, they're always on a quest for knowledge. On the other hand, those struggling financially may overlook the importance of continuous learning. They may see education as an expense rather than an investment, often due to immediate financial constraints or a lack of foresight. This mindset, however, can create a cycle of limited growth and missed opportunities. Education, in the broadest sense, is not just about formal degrees. It's about learning new skills, understanding the world around us, and staying updated with advancements in our respective fields. Hence, the rich view education as an investment, not an expense. Let's move on to the third difference, risk-taking. Often, we see that those who've accumulated wealth don't shy away from taking calculated risks. They understand that in order to achieve significant returns, they must sometimes venture into uncharted territories. This could mean investing in a new business or putting their money into emerging markets or technology. On the other hand, those who are less affluent tend to be more risk-averse. They prefer the safety of a steady paycheck and the security of a savings account. This often stems from fear of losing what little they have, but this fear can also prevent them from seizing opportunities that could potentially change their financial situation. The wealthy, however, see risk as an opportunity. They're not reckless, they take calculated risks. They analyze potential outcomes, weigh the pros and cons, and decide if the potential return is worth the risk. In essence, the rich know that to win big, you sometimes have to risk big. Fourth on our list, networking. The ability to build relationships and establish a strong network is often a key differentiator between the financially successful and those struggling. It's an open secret amongst the rich. The wider and more diverse your network, the greater your opportunities for financial growth. On the other hand, those facing financial difficulties often overlook the power of networking, focusing merely on the day-to-day grind. They may not prioritize making connections or nurturing relationships that could open doors to new opportunities. Networking isn't just about professional growth, it's about personal growth too. By interacting with a diverse range of people, you expose yourself to different perspectives, ideas, and opportunities. This exchange can spark innovative ideas, lead to collaborations, and even foster lifelong friendships. So, take a leaf out of the rich's book. Attend that networking event, strike up that conversation, make that connection. Remember, your network is your net worth. Halfway through our list, we have goal setting. Setting financial goals is akin to setting a compass on a journey. It provides direction and a sense of purpose. The wealthy understand this principle and often set clear, measurable financial goals. They determine what they want to achieve, set a timeline, and break it down into manageable steps. This approach brings clarity, focus, and makes the path to wealth more tangible. On the other hand, those struggling financially often overlook the importance of setting financial goals. They might have a vague idea of wanting to be rich, but without clear, measurable objectives, it's akin to sailing without a compass. The journey becomes riddled with detours and dead ends, making wealth accumulation a difficult task. Financial goal setting is like a roadmap to wealth. It outlines the steps necessary to get from where you are to where you want to be. Thus, having clear financial goals is a common trait among the rich. Moving on to the seventh difference, financial literacy. Picture this, you've just won the lottery. But without financial literacy, that windfall might as well be a ticking time bomb. The rich understand that money management, investing, and tax strategies are not just optional extras. They are essential tools in the wealth-building toolkit. They invest time and resources in understanding these areas, using knowledge as a catalyst for financial growth. On the other hand, those less fortunate often neglect financial literacy. Maybe it's due to lack of resources, or perhaps it's a mindset that sees these topics as too complex or even irrelevant. But without this understanding, they are like sailors lost at sea, at the mercy of financial storms without a compass to guide them. So financial literacy is a key component in wealth building. It's not just about making money, but knowing how to make your money work for you. Remember, a smart investor isn't necessarily the one with the most money, but the one who knows best how to use it. Next, we talk about time management. Time, as they say, is money, and no one understands this better than the rich. They value their time and employ it judiciously, ensuring each moment counts towards their wealth accumulation. On the other hand, those less affluent might not manage their time as effectively, allowing precious hours to slip away unproductively. Why is time management so crucial, you ask? It's simple. Every moment spent wisely can be a step towards financial growth. While the rich are often seen investing their time in activities that yield long-term benefits, such as reading, networking, or strategizing their next business move, others might squander it on fleeting pleasures. Remember, time is the one commodity that once spent you can never get back. It's a finite resource that requires careful management. The rich understand this, and they make sure every second counts. Therefore, how you manage your time can significantly impact your wealth. Ninth on our list is passive income. Now, this is a game changer. The wealthy understand the importance of having diverse income streams, and they don't just rely on their day jobs. They create and exploit multiple sources of income, and one of their favorites is passive income. This could be income from rental properties, dividends from investments, royalties from books or music, or even earnings from a side business. In contrast, those struggling financially often depend on a single source of income, typically their job. This can lead to financial instability and stress, especially in uncertain times. They work for money instead of making money work for them. Decoding the secret of the rich, it's clear that they don't put all their eggs in one basket, they diversify, creating a safety net of income streams that work round the clock, even when they're not. Hence, diversifying income sources is another difference between the rich and the poor. Lastly, we consider attitude towards money. It's a fascinating topic and one that can significantly shape our financial futures. The wealthy often perceive money as a tool for growth, a means to create more wealth. They understand that money is not the end goal, but a vehicle to reach those goals. It's the seeds they plant in the fertile grounds of investments, businesses, and opportunities that, if nurtured properly, can bloom into a forest of fortune. On the other hand, those struggling financially might see money as a solution to immediate problems, an elusive savior always just out of reach. It becomes a constant pursuit, a chase that overlooks the potential of strategic planning and wise investment. The difference is quite stark. One views money as a servant, the other as a master. It's not about how much money you have, but how you choose to use it. Thus, one's attitude towards money can greatly influence their financial status. As we conclude our exploration of these differences, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've uncovered. We've delved into the realm of spending habits, contrasting the short-term gratification sought by those struggling financially with the long-term investment mindset of the wealthy. We've examined the value placed on education, the willingness to take calculated risks, and the importance of networking in cultivating wealth and prosperity. We've also highlighted the role of goal-setting, financial literacy, effective time management, and the generation of passive income in shaping the financial landscape of the rich. And most importantly, we've dissected the contrasting attitudes towards money, with the wealthy viewing it as a tool for growth and opportunity, while those less fortunate often perceive it as a scarce resource. Remember, understanding these differences could be the first step towards financial growth. Thank you for joining us on Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.